Good evening, welcome to Delight classes. We are in continuation with narration. Today we are going to study change of tenses in different sentences, how the change of tense and verb takes place in the sentences in narration. So let's start. First of all, there is a chart in which it is clearly described how tense changes during narration. Present indefinite will change into past indefinite. Present indefinite will change into past indefinite. Present continuous will change into past continuous. Present perfect changes into past perfect. Present perfect changes into past perfect. Present perfect continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Present indefinite into past indefinite. Present continuous into past continuous. Present perfect into past perfect. Present perfect continuous into past perfect continuous. Past indefinite into past perfect. Past continuous into past perfect continuous. Past perfect, there will be no change. Past perfect continuous also with no change. So this is the chart which you have to learn by heart. Then there will be no problem in solving the questions. Now let us see change of verbs. A small chart is here. In direct speech, verb of direct speech changes into verb of indirect speech. Is, am will change into was. Is, am of direct speech will change into was while changing into indirect speech. Is और am change हो जाएंगे was में. Are will be changed into were, W-E-R-E, were. Has or have changes into had. Was, were changes into had been. And shall change into should. Is, am, are into was. Are into were. Has, have into had. Was, were into had been, and shall into should. So this is the chart of changes which take place while changing direct speech into indirect speech, and below that is the chart in which some verbs are given direct speech and their change into indirect speech. Now, by the help of examples, we are going to see how the tense change takes place. Sentence number 1. The boy said to his friend. The boy said to his friend, comma, in inverted commas, I write every day. I write every day. So just have a concentration. In indirect speech, it will become the boy said to his friend, and the comma which is present will be removed. While changing direct speech into indirect speech, first of all we will remove the comma which is after the reporting verb, and then we change. Then we remove the inverted comma. Then we remove the inverted comma, and we add a connective between reporting verb and reported speech. So in this sentence, the boy said to his friend, comma, in inverted commas, I write every day. First of all, while changing into indirect speech, we have removed the comma which was after friend. Now the sentence is, the boy said to his friend. Said to can be changed into told also, but not told to. Said to can be written as told but not told to. The boy said to his friend that I is the first word in the reported speech. I is the first word in the reported speech. As our subject is boy, I will change into he, and write is in the simple present tense and it will change into simple past wrote. Write will change into wrote. The boy said to his friend that he wrote every day. The sentence was, the boy said to his friend, in inverted commas, I write every day. In indirect speech, it will become, the boy said to his friend that he wrote every day. In this sentence, present indefinite tense is changed into past indefinite change. In this, present indefinite tense is changed into past indefinite tense. In the second sentence, the boy said to the teacher. The boy said to the teacher, comma, inverted commas, I am going to school every day. I am going to school every day. Answer will be, in indirect speech, the boy said to the teacher. The boy said to the teacher that he was. In place of I, we will write he, that he was going to school every day. I am is changed into he was. I is changed into he and am is changed into was. The boy said to the teacher that he was going to school every day. In this sentence, present continuous tense is changed into past continuous tense. I am going, he was going. Sentence number 3. Direct speech. She said to me. She said to me, comma, inverted commas, I have done my work. I have done my work. I have done my work is in inverted commas and it is reported speech. She said to me is reporting verb. Now, in indirect speech, it will become, she said to me that she had done her work. She said to me, I have done my work. In indirect speech, it will become, she said to me that she had done her work. In place of have, we will write had. Why? Because present perfect tense changes into past perfect tense. Present perfect tense contains has or have. In past perfect tense, it becomes had. In past perfect tense, it becomes had. Next sentence. The girl said to her mother. The girl said to her mother. In inverted commas, I have been reading since morning. The girl said to her mother. In inverted commas, I have been reading since morning. This sentence is in present perfect continuous tense. This sentence is of present perfect continuous tense. And we know the rule that present perfect continuous tense changes into past perfect continuous tense. So the answer in indirect speech will be, the girl said to her mother that she had been reading since morning. In place of have been reading, we have to write had been reading in indirect speech. The girl said to her mother that she had been reading since morning. So present perfect tense is changed into past. Present perfect continuous is changed into past perfect continuous tense. Now the last example in direct speech. The girl said to her friend. The girl said to her friend, comma, in inverted commas, I shall write a letter. I shall write a letter. This is in future indefinite tense. This sentence is in future indefinite tense. Answer in indirect speech will be, the girl said to her friend. The girl said to her friend that, in place of I we will write she, because the speaker is girl. The girl said to her friend that she would write a letter. She would write a letter. So let us revise today's work in very short. Tense changing chart. Present indefinite changes into past indefinite. Present continuous changes into past continuous. Present perfect changes into past perfect. Present perfect continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Past indefinite changes into past perfect. Past continuous changes into past perfect continuous, and past perfect continuous has no change. So this was all in today's video. I hope you have understood. See you again. Goodbye. Good night. Till then, keep learning. Concentrate on narration. If you have any questions, if you have any problem, do write.